So friends, as you can clearly see here, you can absolutely build a website or landing page like this for free without any cost. Yes friends, you can definitely create a landing page for free, but for that, you need to watch this video completely in its entirety. To build a landing page, you need to rely on system data, which is crucial because you need software that helps you create landing pages. Here, I highly recommend system.io to you friends. If we talk about pricing here, especially if you are just starting out, you can see everything here for free. You can use a total of 9 software tools here for free. Yes friends, you can use 9 tools for free. So, what do you get in these amazing 9 tools? You can create sales, do email marketing, build websites, create your own affiliate program, automate your business, conduct webinars, sell digital products, start blogging and create courses such as these. System.io provides you with hosting for all these tools for free in a seamless manner. So, what you need to do first is, in the description below, you have been given a link to system.io. Click on it and create an account on system.io. As soon as you create an account, you will see a user interface exactly like this. If you want to build or develop a landing page, what you need to do here is, first, you will see the website option. Then, you need to click on sales and an interface like this will show up. Here, you simply need to click on the create section. You can name your project, for example, I named it YT tutorial. You will get a free domain with the username of the account. Then you can select the funnel goal, whether you want to build an audience, sell digital products, conduct evergreen webinars, or whatever you want to do. Here, I will select build audience. Then you need to select the currency, so select dollars and save it. Our funnel campaign is now created. What you need to do here is select the campaign you created. You will be asked to create a squeeze page. You will see multiple templates here, not just a few, but a wide variety of templates. For example, if you want to sell an ebook or a course, you will find all the templates here. If you want to sell a service, you will see numerous options here. To show an example, I would like to select this template. After using the templates, you will be asked for its name. For example, if I am building a landing page, it will be a landing page. Then you can create a specific page link, which means you can write landing page here. You will see how our landing page will look. Here, you can select and edit your landing page. As you can see, you will find many different options and elements like text, media, images, videos, and audio. You can install and add them here. You can create forms, checkboxes, and you will also find options for social media. If you want to add a menu, you can see the menu displayed here. If you want to add some products, and if you know coding, you can also add HTML here. You will find many sections like this. I don't want to go into too much detail here. Look friends, I want to remove this ready-made item. So what I will do is, for example, if I want to remove this menu, I will select the menu and see the option to delete it. Now the entire row has come up, so I want to delete the whole row. After that, you can see friends, this section is done. Now I want to sell an ebook. If you want to change this photo, you can see friends, I want to create an ebook here. So whoever comes here will enter their email. And as soon as they click, they will receive the email. For example, I want to delete all this content. So I will delete it. I will delete everything. Because the more cluttered it is, the more confused the customer gets. So we shouldn't add too much content here, friends. Just keep it simple, just one page. The user will come here and they will see the books and they can enter their email ID and they will get everything. So what you need to do is click on Save Changes. As soon as you click on Save Changes, you will move on to the next step. This is how you can create a landing page. So thanks for watching. If you want to use this software, the link is provided in the description and you can use it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.